Hello, I'm Mr. John. So in this video, I'll try to explain the question that you see in the screen. So for this question, is asked the final things that we should find is PQ equal to QP equal to PC. Okay, so that is about these three line segments. Okay, they should have the same length. Okay, and we can see from the diagram that let's say this triangle DCQ. Okay, if we want to use this triangle DCQ to say that PQ equal to QPC, that means maybe the best way is we should know that the YP is parallel to Q and the DQ. Okay. On the other hand, if we try to prove from the triangle PAB, and if we want to use this triangle to find that AQ equal to QP, so it's quite similar that we may need to know that QX is parallel to PB. So as a result, we should try to prove that DX parallel to YB. Okay, so it may be the best way to solve this problem. Okay, so if you want to prove that DX parallel to YB, here I suggest you one way is we should try to prove that the DYBX is a parallelogram. Okay, I repeat, the DYBX is a parallelogram. Okay, and it's not difficult to solve because first of all we know that DC is equal to AB. That's about the opposite sides of parallelogram. Okay, so we know that ABCD is a parallelogram, so DC equal to AB. And on the other hand, Y is the midpoint of DC and X is the midpoint of AB. So as a result, we can say that dy is equal to XB. Okay, and also we know that dy is also parallel to BX. So as a result, dy BX is a parallelogram. Okay, the reason is opposite sides equal and parallel. Okay, after that we find that the DYBX is a parallelogram. So after that we can go to the two triangles to prove that the three line segments are the same. So maybe we start from the triangle CDQ. Okay, so inside CDQ we know that CY equal to YD, and also YB is parallel to DX. Okay, so we can say that QP is equal to PC by the intercept freedom. Okay, and then we go to another triangle, that is triangle ABP, and we also know that AX equal to XB, and also XQ parallel to BP. So we, as a result, AQ equal to QP, also by the intercept theorem. Okay, so after that you can see that AQ equal to QP and also QP also to PC. So that is what we need to know.